Can you introduce yourself
Okay,
first?
hi, good
What is your
afternoon.
name?
I am Evangeline,
How old are you eventually?
24.
24.
Yeah.
That looks young.
Thank you.
Hi, Evangeline. I have actually I have a questions for you, and hopefully
Not that difficult.
no. Okay. How beautiful do you think you are?
Oh, in my opinion, in my because it's myself, so
Yes, of
I can
course.
say it's 90%.
Okay. Why you think you are beautiful?
I am beautiful because I am me, and if you don't feel beautiful with yourself, then you're not beautiful, and others will not look at you as something not beautiful.
Oh wow.
But God's creation is all humans are beautiful, also
course.
animals.
Of course. Okay. What are the signs that Filipina like a guy?
Oh my God, it's so hard.
Okay.
For me, I don't I for kaan lang kanang for me what I observe to
Yes.
other boys,
Yeah.
because I didn't experience any kind of relationship, so they'll just I think look with the eyes of the girl, or approach the girl that they like.
Okay. So, how about you? What are the signs that you like the guy?
Oh, I'm just a silent type.
Silent
So
type.
yeah, I when I know that I like the guy, when I will look at his eyes.
Oh, so
Yeah, eh, when I think about him all the time.
how you show it when you like him? How
I didn't show it.
you don't want to
I'm
show
just
it?
a silent type of a girl. Like I don't show it, but I like him, but I don't show it. Just a glimpse of him, like that, but I don't show it.
Ah, I see. Okay. Why Filipinas are obsessed with long pointed nose, like foreigner nose?
Oh, because look at us Filipina, it's very, the nose is not pointed, and
Disappointed.
yeah, disappointed. And also, I think Filipina wants not all Filipinas wants a daughter, or a children that is beautiful and have a long nose, because our nose is not that long.
Okay, so that are the reasons
Yeah.
why. Because we have
And
this.
then they are also handsome. When we see a guy that has a long nose, then he is he is handsome. He is pretty.
How about you? Do you like a man with pointed nose?
Yeah.
Yeah. Why?
Because I have a flat nose, so I want a guy of a
It's
long
not a
nose.
flat. It's just disappointed.
So I want a guy with
Yeah,
a
me
long
too.
nose.
I
But
have
if God
disappointed.
give me a guy that don't have a long nose, so it's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Would you marry someone that you don't love for a better life?
For me, no.
Why? Why
Uh,
not? Why not?
because I have this kind of attitude that I don't want to marry a guy that will provide for my needs, or will get me from the slump. So I want to achieve something for myself, and I don't want a guy to support me. I want to support myself.
Wow, very independent.
Yeah.
So you won't settle the guy who will give you a better life. You will settle the guy with the one you love.
No, no. Also, I will settle for the guy that even though I don't love him, as long as he loved me and he worked hard. Like I don't want a guy who's like an lazy, always, you know.
Okay. They said everybody has a price. Would Filipina do everything for money?
Some. Yeah.
Sam, why
Yeah.
you see Sam?
Because uh because our our some Filipinas life is very hard.
Yeah, that's true.
Very hard. So in instinct of a Filipina that when they will find a guy that is rich so that they will they will also get rich and a guy who will provide their needs and also for their family.
Oh, so that's what. How
Yeah.
about you? Would you do anything for money?
No?
Why not?
No. I'll do anything if it's legal, but if it is beyond the thing, I don't know.
You want
You know, I
that?
don't want to.
Okay. Would you date a man who don't want to marry or who don't
No.
want to settle down? Why?
I want. That's why I don't have a
Relationship.
relationship
Why?
because I don't want to have a relationship with a guy who just playing around, don't want to settle down, or don't have a future to both of us. Because it's a waste of time, it's a waste of love, it's a waste of tears.
That's true. That's true.
Yeah.
What else, girl?
I just it's for me I'm just so practical. Like I will have a relationship when I have work or financially stable because when the time comes that you will both for example it's not a plan like we have nowadays we have teenage pregnancy not
Yes,
it's
yes,
not
it's
they're not planning anything about parenting. So what if I accidentally get pregnant and I can support my child and my child will bear the consequences that I made.
very true, that girl. I really salute you. Okay. Okay.
Wow, so many questions. A lot of questions.
Okay. For example, just for example, okay, a member of your family needs medical attention and it will cost 400,000.
Yes.
How would you raise the money?
I would raise the money, I think, for donation or go to the government to ask ask for medical financial, yeah, medical help.
What else?
And also work overtime or work two jobs to or take a loan to to pay the medical expenses.
So you don't want to get foreigners?
No, I don't. It's something. It's bad that we will use a foreigner
I get
to
you.
get the money to support something. It's okay. It's okay man to have foreigner, but the mind ba is not. It's not suitable to just get a
Rely.
foreigner to just have
Rely
the
on.
money. Rely
Yeah,
on
that's
someone
true.
that
I like this girl.
you need to work hard also. It just don't just
Guys, if you like this girl, if you bump into her, she's single and she's really open-minded and Okay. Have you used a dating app?
Yeah, I use a lot of dating apps, but
What kind of dating app?
this just for fun only
Yeah,
if
just
I
for
am bored.
fun, okay.
I don't know the it's Tinder.
Tinder. You have Tinder.
Yeah, I have
What is
Tinder.
Tinder?
It's like finding people to date or to
Is
make
that
friends.
mostly Filipinos or foreigners?
Yeah, foreigners and Filipinos. It's
So which one you're interested, Filipinos or foreigner?
for me. I like any of those, but as long as I like him or God will give.
Okay.
know.
How many
But-
dating apps you been using?
I don't know. I think a lot, but I just log in and I'm bored. I just log in and I'm not bored again. I delete.
Then if you're not interested,
Yeah. And so I'm scared of dating.
Why are you scared of
No,
dating? What's
because I
that?
didn't experience that one. So
Since birth?
yeah, I was 24.
Obviously, since birth, hello. And you're 1 year old, you want to date? Of course, since birth.
Since
Okay.
birth.
Since birth, okay.
Yeah.
What is the difference between Pinoy guy and a foreigner? It's just your opinion, based on
In
what
my
you observe.
observation, in
Yes.
my opinion, foreigners will take care of the woman or give 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 all their best to the woman. Give their if a woman like this something, they will give it and support the woman. But sa Filipino guy, like they're just like controlling. They want to control you. Like I don't want to marry a woman that don't know how to cook or like that.
A lot of qualifications.
Yeah, a lot of qualifications.
They want everything.
The beauty standards is so very high.
Really?
Yeah, Filipino guy.
What is the standard of a Filipino guy?
You need to be white. The girls in white.
You need to be white skin. Okay.
White skin.
Yeah.
And sexy, big boobs, big butt, like the.
Oh no! Oh no! We don't pass the requirement.
Also long nose. Well, mostly
that's why we don't have. Yeah, we don't have delay because they have high standards.
Yeah, high standards.
My God. Okay. Why does Filipino stares at foreigners?
Filipino stares at foreigners because they are white, they are tall. Diba, if you see a tall guy or tall people, they will attract your attention because they are so tall. Then they are white and also handsome.
That's it.
And the only reason is money. Joke. I'm just kidding.
Oh, that's true. That's really true. The stigma here in the Philippines, if they say foreigner,
Yeah.
they think, wow, a walking money.
Wow.
You know?
Foreigner, you
Yeah.
no.
So your preferences for a guy? What is your preferences for a guy?
I don't have preference for a guy as long as he will love me, he will take care of me, he will not hurt me mentally, emotionally, or especially physically.
That's true.
Yeah, because I will leave him if he hurt me physically. Because you don't love your wife truly if you hurt her physically. Just talk and don't hurt physically.
I like this girl.
I don't have any preference because if God will give you someone, then it will come.
Oh, that's true. Guys, she's very nice. If you find her in Tinder, skip her. She's very nice in
I don't
person.
remember the account.
Okay.
My account is Tinder.
Okay. Thank you so much for chatting with
Thank
Candid
you.
Filipina. I'm
Thank
so
you.
happy to chat with you. I
Thank
know
you,
you.
guys.
Bye.
Goodbye.